Christmas is just a couple of weeks away, and I know you'd like your home to wear an extra glow this season. But the costs could be discouraging. So today I'm going to share with you some tips on how to make your home shine this Christmas without breaking the bank. Proudly brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. 1. Locate and eliminate clutter. Removing unnecessary items is an excellent way to kickstart your cleaning for Christmas. All you need is a large bag for gathering the items that are no longer useful or have expired. From magazines to skincare products, toys, clothes, utensils, groceries, etc. This will free up some valuable space for the decoration and let in some fresh air. 2. Cleaning your windows. Sometimes, all you need to make your home glow is the sunlight, and cleaning your windows with just water and a microfiber cloth could be the easiest way of achieving really great results. Don't bother about buying window cleaning chemicals this period. Just do this at a time that is not sunny to prevent leaving streaks on your window and have yourself a merry bright home. 3. Take care of dust and cobwebs. I'm sure you would want your decorations to pop really nicely, but that won't be possible if you have your ceilings and corners of your home littered with cobwebs. So, pick up a long broom and get to work. Make sure to avoid killing cobwebs on the walls to avoid stains from its body fluids. 4. Clean the kitchen. You will definitely spend a lot of time in the kitchen during Christmas, and you wouldn't want to cook with dirty utensils or in a scattered kitchen. This is a time to give your refrigerator, your stove, shelves, and even oven some attention. Clean up your cupboards and throw out old products. You can also rinse the dust from special cutlery, glasses, and dishes. Check the condition of your oven. If there are scorched cooktops and burnt food, be sure to clean them. This way, you will improve the working condition of this appliance and get better results when preparing the Christmas meal. For a chemical-free cleaning, preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Fill an oven-safe bowl with water, place inside the door, close, and leave for 45 minutes. Allow your oven to cool and wipe away the loosened dirt with a clean cloth. You can also clean your stove and gas stop with some baking soda and water. 5. Give your bathroom a deep clean. This involves cleaning the tub, sink, mirror, and even the grout between your tiles. You can make your sink and tub shine by simply mixing some baking soda, drops of lemon, and dish soap. Sponge the surfaces of your tub and sink with a mixture and leave on for about 10 minutes before rinsing off with clean water. Don't neglect the mirror in your bathroom as well. This can be cleaned with just a microfiber cloth and some water. To clean the grout between your tiles, make a paste of baking soda and water and work it into the grout between your tiles using an old toothbrush. Use the brush to scrub away the dirt and rinse with clean water. 6. Clean your ceiling fans with a pillowcase. Instead of using a rag to clean your ceiling fan, which usually results in dust falling onto your furniture and floors, try using an old pillowcase by slipping it in between the fan blades and swiping one at a time. 7. Eliminate foul odors from upholstery. The persistent and pleasant smell in the house can be coming from your upholstery, as they often retain odors. You can remove odor from your upholstery furniture by sprinkling some baking soda on it. Leave for about 15 minutes and then vacuum thoroughly. If you have some essential oil like lavender, mix some in water and spray on the upholstery and also allow to dry. This will help remove some of the odor and make it smell nice. I know you'd love Santa to gift you a self-cleaning house, but with these tips, you'd have a clean house ready for Santa's visit. If you'd like to see our next video on cleaning up for the new year, do subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and remember to go to CleanerOnCall.com for all your professional cleaning services.